Hey, and welcome to Crafted Divapreneurs. So, we're going to be working in Canva and creating a scene. This is the measurements right here that I use. So, you can refer to that. These are a couple items that I've made, just playing around, and I love making my own scenes from scratch. So, let's get started. So what I do is take shapes and lines from the elements section to create what I want. Um, and there's so many various different ways that you can do this. So there's not just one particular way. The room don't have to look like this. It can be a faux room. It can be, multiple rooms. It's just, how you want to design it. You just play around with all the lines and shapes to get what you want. And I mean, like I said, it's super easy. You just have to have a visual of what you're looking for. And yeah, that works. So I am going to sit back and let y'all watch the video, and I'll just chime in as needed. Now here with the doorway, there's different ways you can do this. You're gonna see I'm gonna try this method and then I'm gonna switch it up. Um, it just depends on what items you have available of how what is gonna work for you. I end up using a different method than this right here, which you'll see in a minute of what I use. And but there's a way to do this if you can, find a item that is gonna fit into that. But for tutorial purposes, I wasn't gonna do all that. Um, I just used a frame instead. All right. So right here, I was just trying to find a good shape that was gonna fit in that part. Um, So because I didn't want to extend it more, which there is another way I could have done that. I actually could have took it in a rectangle and put it across the top. So I could have brought this all the way up and put a rectangle, put it across the top on top of that, and do a little piece to angle it out. There is another, like I said, there's definitely another way to do that also. But I feel like this way at the time was the easiest way. There's no right or wrong way to doing this part. As long as you can master what you're trying to get, then you can do it however you want to. So this is the part where I was saying I was trying to figure out what would be the best option. So I decide to go with a frame to make that work instead. And then you're gonna see that I'm gonna try different items to put in there. So this part goes back to what I was saying about when you will see in a second what I put inside of there, and that goes back to this. So different ways you can do it just depends on the pictures and the elements that you have available. But yeah, at the end of the day, I made it work. Of course, you see the other pages that I have, I've made it work. So there's multiple ways of doing it, and also depends on the program that you're using, because Canva is not the only program you can make scenes in. But that is what I use. That is what I love. Is because they have so many different options of things already on there. Also, so yeah, that part. So, basically, everything else from here is self-explanatory. You can see it on the watch everything else. I'm gonna just let y'all watch the rest of it. And yeah, if you have any questions, make sure you comment. Um, Make sure you join the group. Let me know. Subscribe to the channels, Crafty Divapreneurs, and have fun. And I would definitely love to see what you guys make. So tag us if you make one. Bye.